right, today we're going to talk about when a relationship is proportional. You see proportional relationships all the time in models, pictures, proportions, tables, graphs. I'm going to start with what we already know. Proportions are two equal ratios. Let's say that there's two cats for every five dogs. We're going to make an equal ratio, so maybe we have 20 cats and 50 dogs. Maybe we have six cats, 15 dogs. We can make all these ratios that are equal, and those are called proportions. So we're looking at what does a proportional relationship look like a whole situation. So here's a little bitty model car, and here's a bigger car, a real size car. Let's say the little model car is 1 inch tall, and it is let's go with 3 inches long. So like a little vroom vroom car. And then the real car with the same proportions, same type of length and width, maybe that is 4 feet tall. Okay. We could use this information to figure out how long the car is. So if we go from 1 to 4, that's times 4, and 3 times 4 is 12. So we have a 4 foot by 12 foot vehicle. Okay, so that's just basically blowing things up and shrinking things down. In a table, a proportional relationship creates equal ratios. 2 to 5 is the same as 4 to 10, which is the same as 6 to 15, which is the same as 8 to 20. They create like this. They create equal ratios. Another thing about the table is they always have multiplicative relationships. To get from here to there, it's always multiplication and multiplying by 2.5. Not all tables are multiplicative, but proportional relationships are multiplicative. So all the things we learned about multiplicative relationships apply to proportional relationships because they are the same. They are synonymous, meaning all multiplicative relationships are proportional, all proportional relationships are multiplicative. So if we think of our multiplicative graph, remember they were linear, they go through 0, 0. So right here, would this graph be proportional? Yes, both. Yes, it would, because it's 0, 0, and it's linear. So that would be a proportional graph. How about this one? Yes, it would. It goes through 0, 0, and it's linear. How about this one? Same thing. And how about this one? No. Because it does not go through 0, 0, it goes through 0, 2. So that's an additive relationship. So to have a proportional relationship, there are certain things that have to happen. It must be linear, like this on the graph, it makes a line. It must pass through 0, 0 on the graph. It must have a multiplicative relationship. And it creates equal ratios. So there you have it. If you have any questions, you can ask your math teacher.